Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this eye makeup look. I'm not really sure how I should call this eye look, but I was thinking about something like a double blend crease eye look. I don't know, I've never done something like this before, but like with any look I'm doing, I always start with priming the eyelids, and I'm using my favorite primer, which is the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre. There are a few others which I really like as well, but I keep going back to this one just because it just works for my skin type. So after applying it, I set it with a little bit of powder just to lock it in place, and then I just noticed that my brows were looking a little bit like just not going in the direction that I wanted it to go. So I went in with the Wow Brow Gel from e.l.f. Cosmetics. And then for underneath the brow, I used a little bit of white eyeshadow just to kind of brighten up this area. I always really like a very light underbrow highlights. So I will be playing with this new palette from Angela Bright in collaboration with Sigma Beauty. Love this palette, huge congratulations to her. I already filmed 2 other looks, so these are coming to my YouTube as well. This is actually the 3rd video that I filmed, but I wanted to get this one up as the first one. And then for the other 2 ones, I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. One of them is like a kind of like a soft glam cut crease, and the other one is like an everyday look. And I also want to do something smoky, but this is more kind of like a creative type of eye look. But know that there are more videos coming with this palette. So I just started with this blue color. Actually, when I started this eye look, I had no idea what I was going for. I kind of have been more into like a neutral eye look vibe lately, but I really wanted to do something more colorful, but I just didn't have a lot of inspiration, so I just decided to go in with this blue color first and just blend this kind of along the lash line towards the outer part of the eyelid, kind of in the direction of the tail of my brow. I just wanted like a smudgy winged shaped eyeshadow situation. So I knew this color is quite dark, so I really had to take my time with blending since this is the only color that I will be using. So I just made these circular motions. I actually used a brush, which I believe is from her brush kit, but I will link everything down in the description bar. She launched this beautiful palette together with her lashes, which I did use in the other videos that I made with her eyeshadow. And she also had her brush kit included. So I will link that down in the description bar as well. But I just kept blending and blending until I had this kind of like smoked out eyeshadow situation. Then I went in with this pinkish color and started blending this in the inner corner of my eye. When I did this, I wasn't really sure how I was feeling about this because it kind of looked like I have like an irritation in the inner corner. I didn't have like a literal irritation, but the red on the eye look, I don't know, I was just kind of regretting picking this color for the inner corner, but I managed to fix it, thankfully. I think it's just because it doesn't really look well blended out right now, but I will fix that, and then it looked way better, so that's my fault. So I went in with the Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte, and I just kind of went around the edges because just in the inner corner area I felt like I didn't really blend it properly, so it looked kind of weird. But once I used the concealer, it looked so much better and the way I wanted it to look, thankfully. So I really love this color, and I wanted to just kind of do this eye look where you have kind of like this blended into the inner corner crease area, and then you stop, and in the center of the eyelid you have kind of like this negative space. I think I've seen artists do this on Instagram, but I never really did this myself, so I wanted to give it a go since I wanted to do more like a creative look for today. I do really like it, so let me know what you feel. I think I can actually do something like this, but maybe use more neutral colors so it looks more wearable, because it actually gives a super cool effect on the eyelid. But I think because these are quite like, for some people, dramatic like shades, I know it can look kind of intimidating. So I'm gonna do like a similar eye look as this one, but using neutral shades, just to show you guys how it looks as well. So I will do that very soon. So I used the pencil in the one line. That one is actually from Natasha Denona from her new collection. And then I blended out with that kind of like greenish color and just a Sigma flat definer brush to blend out the lower lash line. And then I kind of blended it into that blue color because it's just kind of seamlessly blended into each other, since the colors are kind of, they're not the same, but they just really blend well together. Then I used this light color in the inner corner of the eye just to give it a little bit of a pop. I felt like that looked so much better because I still wasn't really happy with how that inner corner looked. So this just made everything look so much better. Then after that I went in with a lash curler because this is actually already the last step, to apply some mascara and then also lashes, but of course that's optional. Totally depends on what you want to do. I'm gonna go in with the Roller Lash Mascara, which is my personal favorite mascara, just applying it on the upper lashes and the lower lashes. And then I went in with some lashes from Maria Malki, which I will put the name in the description bar. They're quite dramatic, but I actually really love how it looks with today's eye look. Now this is the finished result. I hope you guys like it. I really love the effect of the two shades blended in the crease, but in a different way than how I would normally do it. So let me know your thoughts, how you feel about this eye look. I love the palette, and like I said, 2 more videos are coming your way. Maybe I will do even more, but just know that I have already filmed 2 more looks, so these will come for sure. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!